Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk about 보다. Now, we have the verb 보다, to see, and I'm going to do a video on that later where we talk about the different forms of to see. But we know that verb 보다, to see, but we also can use that same word for more, especially more than, right? So there are a couple of ways to use that. For example, if I like something, we talked before about like, so 좋아하다, right? So 사과 좋아해요, I like apples, right? So if I want to compare, I like apples more than something else, or I like something more than apples, right? Then it's a little bit confusing because the order gets switched around, right? So we can use this 보다, right? So 보다, and in this case it means more than, right? So here I have 사과보다 banana 좋아해요, right? So we have to be careful though, because the order is more than apples, bananas I like. Okay, so this can be kind of confusing. So what I always recommend is find something that you know that for sure your choice is this way, right? So for me that's pretty easy. 차보다 커피 좋아해요. So tea, more than tea, coffee I like, right? I like both. I like both. It's not saying I don't like the other one, but just saying if I compare them, I like the other one more. So I know this always to be true for me, is that I like coffee more than tea, right? So whatever, just pick two things that you know your preference for, and get that stuck into your head that the 보다 goes on the one that you like the least, right? So 사과보다 banana 좋아해요. So more than apple, bananas I like, right? So I like bananas more than apples, right? So the order totally gets flipped around on you, and it's really easy to get confused with that. So just pick you one that you can use as your key, so that you can always run that through your head until you get it down, right? So 차보다 커피 좋아해요. So 공부보다 돈, money 좋아해요. If we want to, we can add one more piece to this that's kind of cool. We could just add 더, because in English when we have some I like coffee more than, right, and we can use this 더, and it's really useful because we can use this for anytime we want to use the word for more, right? So 더 좋아해요, I like it more, right? So 더 주세요, give me more, right? So we can just insert here. So 차보다 커피 더 좋아해요. It becomes a little more clear that I'm not saying I dislike tea, just that I like coffee more than tea. Okay, cool. So there you got it. So this is we already know this vocabulary, 보다, and this is a way we can use it differently. It's not that verb, but it's the exact same two syllables, 보다. All right, great. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you can put this into use right away in your Korean language practice. All right, be sure to click the like, share, subscribe button below if you haven't already subscribed. Tell your friends. And check out the links below to LearnKoreanFast.com and also to my books on Amazon. Buying those books does really help me, and I really appreciate everyone who's been doing that. So buying those books can help me to have more time to make more of these videos for you. All right, so 다음에 뵙시다.